The Dragon Slayer, Folktales from Latin America by Jaime Hernandez. Once there was a man who had 3 daughters. The youngest attracted all the men. "We have to get rid of her." The 2 older daughters took some of their father's money and put it in her bed. The next morning the father went to count his money. "Some of my money's gone." "Our sister took it. Look!" So the youngest daughter was sent away and told never to return. She walked for miles with nowhere to go. Tired and hungry, she sat to eat. "I beg your pardon, but may I have one of your tortillas? I haven't eaten in 2 days." "Of course. Help yourself." "I'm sorry I haven't more to give you. I'm poor with nowhere to go. Are you willing to work? Farther down the road is the kingdom of Dragonia. You will find work in the king's palace. Take this little wand. Ask it, and it will tell you anything you need to know." "Oh, thank you." The girl and the old woman parted ways. Soon the girl came to a place in the road where it branched into 3 parts. "Which road should I take?" "Don't take the road on the right. It leads to the dragon with 7 heads. Each head loves to eat human flesh." "What about the road on the left?" "The road on the left leads to the castle of the giant Bolumbi, who also loves human flesh. The road will take you to the kingdom of Kikikiriki, where the king lives, who has the power to help you." "I'll take that road." Filled with hope, the girl continued on. At last she made it to the king's palace. "Is there any work here?" "I don't know. Follow me." "Your Majesty, this girl is looking for work. She can work in the kitchen." Soon the girl became interested in the king's son, the prince, but kept it to herself. He also became interested in her, but said nothing. One day the girl noticed that the king was feeling sad and gloomy. "Magic wand, why is the king so gloomy?" "The dragon with the 7 heads told the king that he must send his son, the prince, to be eaten. Otherwise, the dragon will come to the kingdom and devour everybody. The prince must leave tomorrow." "How can the dragon be killed?" "It falls asleep at midnight. Go there tomorrow and take me with you. Use me to strike the dragon on its tail while it's sleeping. It will never wake up." "Now I will cut out its 7 tongues and return to the palace." Back at the kingdom, the king proclaimed that whoever killed the dragon would be granted any wish. "I will kill the dragon." "There it is." "Luck is with me. The dragon is already dead. I'll prove to the king that I killed it myself." "Your Majesty, I have killed the dragon. As proof, here are its 7 heads. My wish is to marry the princess." "This man is a liar. I am the one who killed the dragon. The proof is inside this bag." "It's the 7 tongues of the dragon. The kitchen maid speaks the truth." "Take the liar away and lock him up." "Your Majesty, my wish is to marry your son, the prince." "I can't marry my son to a kitchen maid." "Kings don't go back on their word." "Oh, very well. The wedding will take place tomorrow morning." But the king was still not convinced. "Perhaps if I send the prince away, he won't have to marry a kitchen maid." In the morning, the girl could not find the prince. She asked the king where he was. "I sent him off to war. He must serve and protect his kingdom." "But the prince is not trained for battle. He is sure to die. How can I help?" "You must go to the giant Bolumbi and get the ring that he wears on his tooth. When you have that ring, say, 'Little ring, change this into that.' Go to the giant exactly at noon when he takes his nap." "Where is the prince now?" "He's about to be killed in battle." "Little ring, please turn the prince into stone." The prince has turned to stone." The war soon ended, and the king's men came home, all but one. The girl went to see him. "Little ring, please return the prince to his former self." We will not go back to my father's kingdom. We'll make our own kingdom, where you will rule as queen." And so they did, and she was a very good queen.